Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to block a contact on WhatsApp. Now to block a contact on WhatsApp, all you need to do is to go over to your WhatsApp, you click over on the person's name, you click on the name again, and then you scroll down to the bottom. You are going to see the person's, you are going to see the option where it says block the name of the person. You click on block and then you do block. Now if you block this person, your previous chat is still going to be showing, but the only thing is that the person can no longer reach you. You can notice you have blocked the person, and whenever you want to unblock the person, all you need to do is to tap on this unblock and you can unblock the person. Or if you cannot click on that, you can just do the same thing. You go to the profile name, scroll down, and you are going to see unblock option. You click on that and it's going to unblock the person. Now you notice this person has been unblocked. That's the reason why you say block. Now you can see the information that says you unblocked this contact. So we have now unblocked the person, and now we can communicate with the person freely. Whenever you block somebody, the person will no longer be able to see your status, and also will no longer be able to communicate with you. They will send you a message, but it will never be delivered. So guys, thank you for watching, and on the next video I'm going to show you guys more interesting thing on WhatsApp.